going on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to review the NIKEBARRAGE Low, white and hyper blue. Okay, by the way guys, if you want to know where I got my clothes from, I've left the link below on the description part of the video. Let's take a look at these sneakers. Let's see what it looks like. Now let me tell you guys the first thing I noticed about these sneakers. All right, I love the color. I love the hyper blue color. Okay, you got a AIR letter written across the midsole. Okay, and hyper blue. That's classic right there. You got the classic check sign right across the barrages. Okay. I also noticed that these sneakers are very chunky. All right. They're very bulky and they're very chunky. And if you're a person with a wide foot, okay, and you're looking for sneakers to wear, I would advise that you wear something like this because these sneakers are very wide. You know what I'm saying? When you're talking about a toe box area, they're very, very wide. You know what I'm saying? They're chunky sneakers, but they're heavy. They're a little bit heavy due to the midsole, all right? Due to the soles, which is made of rubber, all right? But they're very strong materials. The entire sneakers is basically made of leather and rubber. You understand what I'm saying? But it's very strong material and it's not gonna get destroyed very easily. I don't think so anyway. If you take a look at the tongue, as you see, the Nike, see a leather patch and it has a hyper blue Nike sign on it. Okay, written Nike check and a Nike sign. All right. These sneakers right here are basically between 100 and 140 retail. Depending where you get it from, whether you get it online or whether you get it from a place where in a store where it's on sale. You know what I mean? It could go between 100 and 140. You understand what I'm saying? I copped it for about 120. You understand what I'm saying? So you take a look at the back of the sneakers. It says Nike right there. And through my experience from wearing these sneakers right here, they're very, very comfortable because there's a lot of pads that comes inside the shoe, okay? Right behind your ankle, okay, the heel grip. You know what I'm saying? Give you that surrounding, that comfort that you need. And then these tongue right here, it just feels like a pillow on top of your foot. Like it's so soft. And then when you tie your laces along with all that cushion that's inside of the sneaker, it feels so snuggy, it feels so comfy. It's actually one of the most comfortable sneakers I ever wore. They're very bulky, they're very heavy, but however, I would say because of the comfort, you're not really gonna feel the heaviness because it's so comfortable. Running a long distance running, you probably won't wanna wear these, but I'll say you could play some basketball in this for like an hour. You can run around in this for like an hour. It's Sky Dukes approved. I give this sneaker right here a 7 out of 10, all right? They got everything I'm looking for, so I give it a 7, you know, but that's enough. I'm not going head over heels for these sneakers, you understand what I'm saying? I'm not going head over heels. They basically got everything that I want there, which is comfort, the look, and that's what I'm looking for in a sneaker, so I give it a 7 out of 10. If there was anything extra that made me say, whoa, now that's dope, I'll be like, all right, I might give it an 8 or 9 or 10, but I give it a 7 out of 10 because it's got everything that I need, and that's pretty much it, all right? I've not come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, please click that subscribe button. Please click that like button. Share my videos. Feel free to make a comment. And if you're not new to this channel, you're already subscribed, click that like button, click that share button, and feel free to make a comment. Thank you, everybody, for watching my video, and until next time. Maybe you might have these on. Maybe you might not. One easy.